Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My title obviously speaks for itself, so let's jump right in. First things first, you're gonna need an oversized button-down shirt. I actually borrowed two from my dad. Thanks, Dad. So you're gonna position it off your shoulders to a comfortable spot where it's not too loose or too tight, and then you're just gonna button it down, maybe 2 or 3 buttons, and tie the bottom. Next, what you're gonna do is you're just going to flop over those buttons so they aren't visible, and there you go, girl. Like, look at that. Super fun, super easy, like literally anybody can do it. Like I said, this is my dad's shirt, so it is a little big. However, I actually like the bagginess to it, but I would suggest, ladies, if you are my size, go for a large, or if you're more on the petite side, I would say go for a medium. But this is definitely, I just love it. I absolutely love the bagginess. It's everything. What can I say? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up so I know that I should make some more. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.